You want a cracker?
Okay.
There we go.
I want the cake.
Get away! Yay! Hiya, baby.
I get the
You look so happy to have a
You just
cracker.
had one.
No, I get the cake.
You guys want another cracker?
No, I think.
Are you videoing?
Yes. Do a video so you can get a
No.
Yay, cracker. Whoa, I'm
No,
way too
I
close.
love the
Yeah, it's on a bit of a time zoom.
I am way too close.
You happy, William? Happy to have a
that a
cracker? Say, I'm happy. Evelyn, can you say, I'm happy?
Say, I'm
Stuck. Happy.
She sticks it up her nose.
That's very attractive, Evelyn. I'll tell you, you're going to regret doing that one. Hey, William, stick the cracker up your nose.
You put the cracker in your nose? Put the cracker in your nose.
Itchy
No.
your nose.
Stick the cracker in your nose.
You don't allow the cracker up your nose anymore. Oh, good now. Kind of. What's wrong with you, child?
Yeah, look, see? Take this piece and stick it. Stick it.
It's gone.
Okay, you eat your cracker.
Hi.
Okay,
Oh.
Don't you go to sleep again.
No. I got my food. I'm happy.
There we go.
Say hi.
Oh, she's tired. Oh, she's tired.
Hi. Alright, say bye-bye.
Happy French music in the background.
Yeah. Say bye-bye, baby.
Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, Evelyn. Bye-bye. Alright, then I'll put that
Wait.
bye-bye.
Wait, my impression of William. Say bye-bye, William.
He's too tired to care.
Yum, yum, yum.
Bye-bye.